Taking a road test is a big moment for every learner driver, but sometimes things don't go as planned. In today's video, we'll look at the experiences of Umair and Satish, two students who faced some challenges during their tests. Let's break down what went wrong and how we can learn from their mistakes.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we meet our friend Mr. Omir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Today his exam, inshallah. Wish him good luck.
Inshallah.
Good luck, brother. Huh? All the best.
Inshallah.
No tension.
No tension.
No nervous.
No
Guess focus, huh?
Inshallah.
Okay. Good luck.
Inshallah.
Yalla. So I'll wait for you until you finish your exam, inshallah.
Inshallah. I will bring
Okay.
exam card. Inshallah.
Like a tiger.
Inshallah.
All right. I can see you smile, huh? Well done, well done. مبروك مبروك عمير. Congratulations. مبروك مبروك. مو خار هذا شوف من بعيد فرحان.
قسم بالله ماشي.
I can see you smile from far away.
هيا.
مبروك مبروك.
هيا قول لك.
أيوة. لا.
Umair started his test with high hopes, but unfortunately, he made 5 critical mistakes that led to his failure. Let's take a closer look. His first mistake was not using signal when moving from the parking lot to the right. This small but significant error is one that examiners always look out for. His second mistake was that again, Umair forgot to signal when entering the street. This can confuse other drivers and lead to unsafe situations. His third mistake was that while driving, he did not maintain a safe distance from a truck ahead of him. Always keep a safe following distance to ensure enough reaction time. His fourth mistake was that Umair did not slow down while entering the gas station, causing him to lose control and deviate from the lane. Always approach turns and entrances cautiously. His fifth and final mistake was that Umair did not park the vehicle correctly. Parking may seem simple, but it is a crucial part of the test. Umair learned a lot from his experience, and with more practice, he's ready to try again. Now let's move on to the road test of Satish.
Good luck. Okay. All the best, inshallah. Huh? I hope you can make it. Just relax, okay? I know this is the first attempt, but try your best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
This is not drum test, road test, huh? Good luck, inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Satish's test had fewer errors, but they were still significant enough to result in a failure. Let's look at what happened. His first mistake was that he did not use his horn to alert another driver. Using the horn appropriately is part of ensuring safety on the road. His second mistake was when leaving the gas station. Satish made a poor turn, crossing the line. Accurate turns are vital to demonstrating control and awareness. His third mistake was that he did not park the car properly. His tire was touching the line. In a road test, precision matters, and even small errors like this can make a big difference. Always ensure your vehicle is parked squarely within the lines. And here's an important reminder from Satish. Always silence your phone before the test begins. A ringing phone can be a major distraction and might leave the examiner questioning your focus. Keep it on silent and keep your mind on the road. Failing a road test isn't the end of the road. It's an opportunity to learn and improve. Both Umair and Satish walked away with valuable lessons they'll carry forward. Just remember, every great driver was once a beginner. Learn from your mistakes, keep practicing, and you'll be on the road in no time. Good luck.
How are you? Okay, and other mistake also.
Yes,
You know what?
the horn.
That car coming in, you'll give horn, yeah. So, inshallah next time.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Our brother is here. Oh, good to see you again, huh? MashaAllah. How are you, brother? I'm fine, thank you. How's everything? How's you driving? Good.
எப்படி என்னாச்சு டெஸ்ட்ல?
ரெண்டு மிஸ்டேக்கு. மிஸ்டேக் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹார்ன் அடிக்காம இதாயிடுச்சு. ஹார்ன் அடிக்கல. அதுக்கான பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லைன் வந்து டச் ஆயிடுச்சு. அந்த ரெண்டு இதுதான். Actually, ஆமா.
And his phone, he forget his phone.
Phone silent
Ringing. I don't know who's calling him. Maybe his girlfriend. No problem. Next time, inshallah, we'll make it. Yeah.
Yes.
Go worry, though, inshallah. It's happened sometimes like that, kind of the mistakes, you know. But don't give up.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.